Hey friends, it's Rob Z coming at you again for the first time in way too long. So apologize. The good news is we've been working on some fun stuff in the background. Be on the lookout. So hey, I've been having some great conversations with some coaching clients recently, and I was made aware of, or I guess I was reminded of the fact that we're in this really funky time of year, right? There's a lot of people that had incentives that were tied to Q1, and Q1 is now officially almost an entire week removed, and the next incentive season maybe hasn't kicked in yet. And so what do we do? What do we do in this lull, right? We're in this gray area where we've taken our foot off the gas with regards to the first promo, and things aren't really full gas yet in the second promo. And unfortunately, it's a perfect time for your brain to settle back into its old comfort zone. Because if you were crushing it in Q1, if you were really chasing down any of those incentives, any of those promos, any of those programs, you've been in go mode, what I like to call GSD mode. If you're curious on what that is, shoot me a message. That is not appropriate for the interwebs, right? And now all of a sudden you have this opportunity to take your foot off the gas, and it's really easy for your brain to remember how nice it was before you were nose to the grindstone, go. Be mindful of that. And here's a really great tip you can use to make sure that you're not settling for the old way, to make sure you're not regressing. It has a lot to do with your time management skills. If you've been in our world at all, you know that the program we love to share is called the 2-Hour Solution, which is our time management program. Now, we all know time management is a lie. It's okay. Here's what we're going to talk about is understanding how to best use that red time. Right now is when you can focus on red time activities. And when you look at those red time activities as an investment in green time, it's really, really difficult for you to get in a lull. It's really, really difficult for you to regress and be status quo. Reason being is when you look at that red time activities like an investment in green time, know that right now you have the best opportunity ever to lay the groundwork, fill the pipeline, fill the funnel, whatever you want to call it, to ensure that once that next incentive promo period starts, you've got the pipeline full, you've got all the hard work, all the heavy lifting is done. It's your turn to just start dialing for dollars. So again, if you haven't already, go back and check out the Fast Guide to Focus. Go back and check out Chapter 9 in the Yellow Book. Go back and go check out your notes with regards to any lessons we have on the 2-Hour Solution. That's going to help you really carve out time where you can do that heavy lifting and start investing in future green time to ensure that you are knocking every single goal out of the water. Knocking out of the water, knocking out of the park, wherever you want to knock it. I don't care. Listen, if you haven't already, make sure you are signed up for the free Train Your Brain for Success foundational lesson. It's an amazing lesson. I'm biased, I shot it myself, but get yourself signed up for that. If you haven't already, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We got so much great content we're gonna be dumping out. I wanna make sure that you get it first before it gets lost in your inbox. All right, as always, you got questions, you got concerns, you got input, feel free to reach out to myself or Roger. I look forward to catching up with you soon. Make it a great rest of your day.